Hello friends, my name is Manish Sharma. I would like to welcome you all Inspiring Leaders. Let's talk about how to clear an interview, which is my title. So if you go for an interview in a company, first understand what are the different profiles in different companies or organizations. We can go for training profiles, we can go for operations profile, we can go for telecalling, we can go for receptionist, you can even go for some field operation profile, you can go for sales, direct, indirect. There are a number of profiles in all companies. So the profile you are going for actually is very interesting for you. You should understand the skill set which is required to fulfill the requirements of that particular profile. Where it comes from? So first understand it comes from the job description. When you are applying for a job or a vacancy in a company, you should read the job description very carefully. The skill sets, those are actually required for that particular profile that you can see in the company's website, or if you are getting reference from somebody else, you can go through the job description as well. This is very important. Now understand how it is important actually. When you go in an interview, what you do actually, even me at the initial level, what we usually do, we actually try to portray all our skills that we have. I know English, I know leadership skills, I know team handling, I know this thing. So there can be 25-30 skills you have. But the point is, are these skills matching with the required one? That is more important. So here we should understand the profile you are going for actually. Your skills should match with the same one. Number one. Number two, when you are going for an interview, do not portray the entire bouquet of your skills. Just portray the skills those are required for that particular profile. If you actually want to see that you got selected or not, it depends upon how you portray your skills. Because interview is all about planned questions, planned answers. Always remember, planned questions, planned answers. So believe me, this is the success mantra to clear the interview. Just go through the job description, research about the company, find out something very interesting for the company. Always go with some proactiveness, prepare for the certain profile, what value you can add in the company if they select you. That is very, very important. Most of the candidates usually don't do this. So you have to prepare for this thing, prepare for this particular thing, and your skills, those are matching with the required profile. So this is only the success mantra to clear the interview. So go with that full confidence, list down your skill set, match with the required one. This is the only way to clear the interview. So all the very best. Thank you so much.